Okay, guys, welcome back to the trade entry plan. Okay, so we have got most of the things sorted out. What we want to do now is what you're seeing on the screen right now is our price action strategy. This is so-called like a checklist before you enter a trade. Okay, you need to have like a certain checklist before you need to have a plan before you enter the trade, because we do not want to enter a trade randomly, right? We want to make sure we have enough confluence meaning enough evidence, okay, or confirmation that price is what we deem it is. For example, we want to have enough confirmation that we want to buy the market or we want to sell the market. The more confirmation that we have, the higher the probability of our trade. Okay, so this would be the checklist, but do not worry about this at the moment now, as I will go through step by step on the chart itself. Okay, so let's go to the chart. So as you can see here, I've written it down. Okay, what I would do for myself when I trade, I will start with the daily time frame. Okay, you can see as I share with you the top daily time frame, meaning each candle is considered 1 day. Okay, now I will ask myself the first one is, what is the current market condition? Okay, is it an uptrend, downtrend, or is it a ranging market? This has been covered before this. Okay, so you guys would know what's an uptrend, downtrend, and ranging. Okay, right now, as we can see, what I will do is I will talk to myself. Okay, I will tell myself that, okay, from here we see price is on a downtrend and then price goes up. And I know this is an uptrend because there's a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. Okay, so my bias is on an uptrend. When I say my bias is on an uptrend, meaning I am only looking for buys. Okay, I'm only looking for buys at the moment because this is what the market is telling me. And as you can see, what happened now is we can see that there's clearly, we can draw our trend line over here, that the bias is, as you can see, there's certain touch point to show that this is on the uptrend and respecting the trend line. However, there's a break here. Okay, we shall go into that later to see whether this is a sign of reversal. Okay, or is it a trend continuation to go up again? Okay, so this is what I will do first. First, I will see the current market and talk to myself, okay, price has gone down, price doing a higher high and higher low, higher high and higher low. Okay, and then I see that, okay, I can draw a trend line here. At the same time, if you want, you can also do your support and resistance. So when I do my support and resistance, I would take a look at the recent price action. I tell myself that, okay, this is the highest point that the price has gone up. Okay, this is the highest point. Okay, so again, I shall go to my horizontal ray, then click on this, and I see that price tries to break this and then got rejected and went down, right? So this is the current resistance. And at the same time, I can see that there is a support. So how do I determine the support is this. This is the support. Why? Because we can see price rejected this area. This is a rejection, right? Previously, price tries to break but couldn't, and then finally break, and then you can see that it acted as a support as well. Okay, hope you can see that. So this area here has acted as both resistance and support. Okay, that's why I draw my line here. I do not have to draw. If you want, you can also draw the next support, which is this area here. Okay, why do I draw this area here? Because again, just to show you, this weak rejection, price did not manage to break downwards. Okay, so that's why we are now drawing the support at that area. Okay, let me just clear this way. Okay, so like I mentioned at first, we are looking at buys. However, now we see there's a break of trend line. So right now we are on a daily time frame. So next, what I will do is I will go to the 4 hours. Okay, to do the same. As you can see, 4 hours, we are if I zoom out, this is, we are zooming in on the price, and we can see that price has clearly broke the trend line. Okay, so right now, let me just go to daily one moment. Yeah, just bring this smaller to this area here so that we could see when we go to the 4-hour. Okay, so this is the 4-hour, and we're still gonna use this. Okay, so what happened is, we know the current market condition. Okay, we draw our support, resistance, or trend line if there's any to the recent price. Okay, this would be the recent price. And then we ask ourselves, is price at key level? Okay, what is key level? Key level meaning is price at the support and resistance area. Okay, so for the one that I circled here, this is the key level. Why? Because now price is trying to break the resistance area. Okay, if anything price is around the area, this would be the key level. What would be the other key level is this area here, this area here. Anything that price is near a support, resistance, and also trend line is the key level. Why? Because this would be the key level, this would be the key level, and this would be a key level right now, the price that we are currently looking at, the current market condition. Okay, so is now priced at the key level? In a way, yes, because now price has broken the trend line. Okay, when trend line is broken, this is a sign of reversal, guys. Okay, it could either be a trend continuation, okay, or a reversal. Trend continuation meaning if this has been respecting, right? For example, here and then here, and it does not break below and forming a higher high and higher low, means we can continue the trend to buy. Okay, continue to ride the trend to buy. However, now we can see price break this area. Okay, what we want to do next is to wait. Okay, what price action we want to look at is whether there are long wicks. Okay, so for example, in this area here, you can see first, let us read this, yeah? Let us go through this again. Current market condition, this is on an uptrend. Initially, okay, we draw a support and resistance. Is price at key level? If we take an example here, yes, price is at the key level, okay? And then are there long wicks? What does long wick represent? Is it represent rejection. Okay, when you see these two long wicks, okay, that means we know that price tries to go up and then rejected, and then price tries to go up again, and then it got rejected, meaning that price or sellers are pushing the price downwards. Okay, so what happened when price reach a key level? First, price reached key level, and then there's rejection. Price immediately went down. Okay, and when price went down, not only that, we are looking for a reversal of sell now. At first, we have a buy bias, but now we see that price rejected, price go down, and then we see this area over here is our support area, right? And what happened? Price break the support area, not only the support area, but also the trend line. Okay, so there are more confirmation that price is going down. First, rejection of key level. Second, break of the support area. And also third is the trend line. Okay, not only that, after price break, this is what we always want to do. When price break, we always want to look for a retest. Retest meaning previous support broken, now become a resistance. So this will become a dynamic support and resistance because it acted as both support and resistance. Okay, guys, I want to repeat that again. The credibility of the support resistance becomes greater when it will act as both support and resistance. For example, this line here, okay, this support and resistance here is credible because first it acted as a resistance, and then now it acted as a support. You get what I mean? Okay, as you can see here, price tries to push, right? I want you guys to go and see here again on the left side. Price tries to push here. What happened? You respected the resistance, and then price go down. Then it tries again, right? Around this area again, went down, tries again, and then it went down, and then tries again over numerous times, guys. And then price went down. Finally, it got broken. So when price break this area, okay, we don't immediately buy. Okay, when price reaches the area, we don't immediately buy because we want to see whether this is confirmed. How do we confirm? Is we want to see price, go up and then do a retest. Okay, so from this action here, we can see price breaking support, and then the support become resistant because we can see this rejection down here. Okay, guys, so you know what I'm trying to say now. I hope this is clear to you, and this is very important. This is called the break and retest. The break, retest, and then push forward. So every time we want to confirm a sell or a buy, we wait for the break and retest. So same goes to here. Price shows rejection, price push down, and then we need to wait for the retest. So where's the retest? As you can see from here, there's a long wick candle here, rejecting this area here, the area of resistance. Price broke support and rejecting this area of resistance. And now we are able to look, okay, for those who are confident, they can actually sell, they can actually go into their trading platform and look for sells over here to bring it all the way down. Okay, for those, if not, what we can do is we can wait for price to even go down further to add even more confluence or confirmation, wait for price to go up again and retest it one more time before pushing price downwards. Okay, so we do not have to rush, guys. We do not have to rush. We always wait for the pullback to confirm, okay, where support become resistant. That is what we are looking at for our plan. As simple as that. Okay, we need to be patient to enter the market. So we know price is at key level. Price action is the long wick and so on and so forth. Okay, as I mentioned with you, the long wick is the long wick. Okay, break of this trend line, break of this support. Okay, that's why we are now looking for sell instead of initially the buy. So we can change our bias, and because based on the price action. That's why we let the market tell us what to do. Okay, we wait for the market to tell us what to do, and price has also break and retest in a way. And then now, if we want, we can wait for price to break again. And in between here, just now in the 4 hours, we're going to enter at the 1 hour. Okay, then now we go to the daily. Okay, we check on the same criteria. Okay, we check for the same criteria. We draw our support resistance, the price action, and so on and so forth. And then we do the same on the 4 hour. And then we do the same on the 1 hour as well. Okay, we do the same on the 1 hour as well. Okay, just let me make it smaller. Okay, we would do the same on the 1 hour. Okay, the 1 hour is still confirmation that price has broke. Okay, but for the 1 hour, we are looking for entries. This is where we enter our trade. Okay, guys, so daily, we do our analysis based on this, what I've shared. Same goes to the 4 hour, and 1 hour, we do the same, but we shall take our entry here. Okay, so we look at the recent price. As we know, price has broken, and this is the rejection here. As you can see, the break and retest. And then what happened? Price go down, and then there's a pullback, right? So when a pullback happen, now we could do our support and resistance. Okay, I can draw a box here to just show you this box over here. What happened is price breaks here, and this becomes a support. Price break here, this become a resistance area, and then price broke the support and then retested it again. Okay, guys, do you see that? Okay, price reject support and then went up to retest to confirm that when price go down, confirm that this is a sell. Okay, and then what happened when price break this area? Like I mentioned, we always wait for the retest. So support become resistant, and this is what happened here. You see the candle here? You see this candle in the 1 hour is that there's a rejection because there's a wick. We're just looking for that wick, and now price is going down. So what happened is we could then analyze from here, when should we enter the trade? Okay, hope it's clear at the moment. Now this is very important. Later we shall do more testing. Okay, so you can draw either a box or you can do the trend line, and now we could also draw this here. Okay, this is now a support because there are numerous rejection, and finally it broke, and now it's going up. It's going back up again. So do we enter a trade here? No, we wait because price now could go up all the way, or it could now be a retest because slowly we see there's a wick. Okay, guys, so this is how I enter a trade. Okay, this is how I would have entered a trade. So it's step by step based on this. Sorry about that. Okay, based on this criteria which I have shared with you. Okay, based on this criteria which I had shared with you. Okay, so what we do is, again, I summarize. We look at the current market condition. We ask ourselves, is this an uptrend, downtrend, or ranging? Okay, then we draw any support and resistance or trend line to any recent price. And then is price at key level. What is key level? Is price near the support, resistance, or the trend line? Is it respecting or breaking it? Is there any rejection there? You look for price action. Price action meaning what is the candle showing us? Okay, is there, for example, price action will be the wick that I've talked about. Okay, price action could be the retest. Okay, and then some momentum loss. Later, I'm going to talk about the EMAs, but now not to worry. And then we wait for the break and retest to confirm. Okay, to confirm our bias. Okay, or to confirm our sell or buy, we always wait for the pullback or the retest. So I hope that is clear. Okay, this is just the starting point. Okay, later we shall go where we back test. I will share with you again on how we would use this time and time again to enter our trade. Okay, so I shall see you on the next video.